Here's how I made it look like I got teleported to a futuristic dystopian city. First, I set up my green screen and filmed myself pretending to be in the final shot. I imagined myself standing on some sort of platform or station. So next, I keyed out the green screen in the footage and placed myself in 3D space in a rough, simple version of the set I had in my head. I used the free open source software Blender to accomplish this. After that, it was all about adding complexity and detail to the scene. First, I added some big skyscrapers in the background, then some air traffic and a big blimp. I also added a ton of details in the foreground like these station signs and this fake advertisement I made. After putting some textures on all the things in the scene, I ended up with something that looked like this. But I knew there was still a lot of post-processing I needed to do before I would be satisfied. So first, I added some haze and mist to give the scene a sense of depth. Then I filtered out that pesky pixelated noise you see in the image. After that, I added a glow to help the lights pop, and then I color graded the entire image and added some lens distortion to tie it all together. Lastly, I spent some time editing in some sound effects and atmosphere tracks to make the whole thing feel a little more believable, and then I was done.